Welcome to Smart Tool Buddy. In this video, we are going to review the Link Video Doorbell and Mini Camera. Upgrade your home security with the Blink Video Doorbell and Mini Camera combo. This easy-to-use system delivers crystal clear HD video, two-way audio, and motion detection for comprehensive home monitoring. Key features: crystal clear view, experience 1080p HD, video for both day and night with the Video Doorbell and Mini Camera, ensuring you see every detail. Flexible installation. Choose wired or wire-free installation for the Video Doorbell based on your needs. Use the Chime app for alerts when wire-free, or designate the Mini Camera as your indoor chime. Simple setup. Get started quickly with in-app instructions for a hassle-free setup process. Remote access. Answer your door from anywhere using your smartphone, ensuring you never miss a visitor. Customizable storage. Choose between free 30-day cloud storage via a Blink subscription trial or local storage with a sync module 2 and USB drive, both sold separately. Works with Alexa. Receive voice alerts. Use two-way audio to communicate with visitors, and even ask Alexa to view live footage through the Video Doorbell. When wired or paired with a sync module, why buy this product? Enhanced security. Gain peace of mind with a comprehensive home monitoring system that captures clear video and audio. Versatile installation. Enjoy the flexibility of wired or wire-free setup to fit your needs. Effortless setup. Get started quickly with user-friendly in-app instructions. Remote monitoring. Stay connected and answer your door from anywhere using your smartphone. Customizable storage options. Choose the storage solution that best suits you. Voice control with Alexa. Enjoy voice-activated alerts and control for a seamless smart home experience. Please follow and subscribe us for more videos like this.